The journey above. Mastering prepositions in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be ascending to new heights in our English grammar journey. Our focus for this video is the preposition above and its usage in indicating direction. So, buckle up as we soar into the world of English prepositions. To start, let's discuss the basic definition. The preposition above generally means higher than or at a higher level. But don't be fooled, above isn't just about literal height. It can also indicate being superior to or beyond the range of, and in our focus today, showing direction. When we talk about above as a directional preposition, it can be a little tricky. Unlike prepositions like to and from, which clearly indicate movement from one point to another, above is typically used to show relative positioning. For instance, you might say, the bird is flying above the trees. Here, above gives us an idea about the bird's location relative to the trees. It doesn't explicitly tell us that the bird moved from a lower point to a higher point, but it does give us a sense of direction. We understand that the bird is in the air and not on the ground. Let's make it more practical with some examples. 1. The helicopter hovered above the building. This suggests the helicopter is higher than and directly over the building. 2. The drone soared above the crowd. In this context, above tells us the drone's position relative to the crowd. Remember, in these examples, above is showing a relative position or location, not necessarily a movement from point A to B. Now you might be thinking, but can't we use over or on top of in those examples? Yes, you can. However, there are subtle differences in meaning. Over is often used when there's a sense of covering or overarching, like, the bridge goes over the river. On top of is used when there's contact or no significant space between the objects, like, the book is on top of the table. These subtle nuances can impact the clarity and tone of your sentence. And there we have it. A deep dive into the usage of above as a preposition of direction. Remember, mastering prepositions is all about practice, so try to use above in your everyday conversations and writing. As always, keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll be soaring high above your English language obstacles in no time. Happy learning!